Hi everyone, I am going to show you the Gansai Tambi granulating colors today. I just got these. I've been resisting getting them. I just bought the Winsor Newton liquid that's supposed to granulate your colors, and guess what? It did not. So we are going to paint with these today. And I bought these, which are really tiny. I was making bookmarks, and yesterday I painted these, and these are like 2.5 inches by 7, and I got these from the A company, and they are a watercolor block of bookmarks, and they are only, let's see, 2.2 inches by 7.9. Huh. Well, they seem very small. They're really, really tiny. So I don't know. Oh, let's see. Feels like 140 pounds, maybe. Yep, it's 140 pounds. So we might try these today too. Okay, well, let's get started and experiment. See how these things are. I'll start with doing a abstract style painting. If I can ever get the box open. There we go. Okay. So let's try. Oh, this is Aurora Violet. Okay. And I'm going to wet my paper a little bit. Let's see what happens. All right. And I'm going to put some of the Aurora Blue. It looks very brown to me. Can you see how that's just kind of exploding? Here, I'll put some more here. Doesn't look blue to me. Okay. All right, let's wet a bit more. Ooh, this is cool. It's kind of got pink tones. Ooh, this is really granulated. Okay, Aurora Orange next. Let's put some here. I'm going to add a bit more water. Let's just spread the water around so it makes them kind of run all over the place. Let's go here. All right, this one is Aurora Pink. It's very purpley. Let's see that. And let's get some water on here. This design with I'm leaving little holes so we can go in and doodle. Well, the colors are very pretty. All right, last one, the red. Let's see what happens. It's funny when you lay it down how it looks dirty. Spin this around. And that was the second one I put on. So if I put it just straight on dry, so now I'm just putting the paint straight to dry. We'll see what happens here. I'm going to just put a bit of this right here. This purple is just gorgeous. Now we'll try the Aurora Orange. I'll put it over here just on dry, but look how muddy it looks. It just looks like super muddy. Strange colors. Now I wonder what would happen if you added them to regular watercolors. Let's try that.